Hi, Shayla with WTI. Do you want makeup that's also good for your skin?
You're gonna absolutely love this TULA Radiant Skin Brightening Serum Skin Tint. It is an SPF 30, so it's gonna protect your face from those UVA and UVB rays, which is very important. And I love that it just goes on very weightless. It's very breathable. It's just a nice lightweight skin tint, so it's not too heavy. You're gonna notice that it just kind of helps cover some of those imperfections. I love when I put it on my face that I'm putting great ingredients into my face, such as hyaluronic acid, ceramides, collagen, probiotics. So it just really is a wonderful product made with really good ingredients. I love that it's gonna, like I said, cover just uneven skin tone. You can see the difference in my face. The half that has it just has a nice like filtered, blurred effect. And then when I apply it to both sides, you can just see that it's all over, nice glow. I love it.
So I know you're gonna love it as much as I have, and you're gonna see the results on your skin, but that is just my point of view.